Alright, here it is. You looking for hand plows? Got some 1 hour east of Nashville, Tennessee. There's a couple single bottom plows or something like that. This guy, I don't know what it is, but it's awfully cool. Don't see something like that very often. You don't see anything like this too often either. That little dude. It's got some handles on it as well. This is I've been told it's like a peanut planter. And or a soybean planter. It's 1870s or something. Looks like a cultivator type deal. A lot of these pieces are usable. Some of them are not, but a lot of them are. All these are. That's another cultivator. There's another bottom plow, another little cultivator or something. The old horse and plow days. A couple more different kinds of plows right here. Handles. And there's another single plow. There's some kind of a cultivator thing there. And this is a little single plow there, a little plow. But that's it. Every once in a blue moon you come across a good lot of it, and I got lucky and came across a nice little collection. So if you want them so they don't sit out here in the rain, come and get them. Put them in your museum, in your restaurant, put them in the barn, put them on your farm, the ranch, in your resort, whatever. This is a nice little load for you to take away. Thinking a couple grand in hand, it's yours. Or you can hunt and peck for it for the next 3 months or whatever and drive all over. But here you got one-stop shopping. Right here. Alright. Enjoy. My number is 615-397-0297. And my name's Pat Riley. I'm a singer-songwriter. My stage name, new stage name, is Island Mountain Pat. And yeah, it's where it's at, right here. 1 hour east of Nashville. Nice little collection. Check out this. There's a little brush in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little brush in there. A little wood handle brush. How cool is that? So I will piece it out, but if I piece it out, it's gonna take away from the collection. And both of these guys one of the guys passed away. The other guy's 81. He's on thin ice. So anyway, here you go. Thanks for watching. Peace.